How many people trust Mogo? Unveiling the numbers game. Ever feel lost in the world of finance? Between traditional banks, flashy new fintech apps, and investment options galore, it's enough to make your head spin. But what if there was a platform that offered a one-stop shop for all your financial needs? Enter Mogo, the Canadian fintech company aiming to be your digital financial companion. They offer a whole suite of services, from credit score monitoring and budgeting tools to digital loans and even a crypto trading platform. But with so many options on the market, a crucial question arises: how widely used is Mogo? How many people have actually taken the leap and entrusted their financial well-being to this platform? Here's the thing, the answer depends on how you define customer. Mogo operates across two primary customer segments, Canada and its international footprint. Let's delve into each to paint a clearer picture. Mogo in Canada, building a digital finance powerhouse. Mogo's home turf boasts some impressive numbers. According to their latest earnings report, they've amassed over 2 million members. That's a significant chunk of the Canadian population actively using Mogo's services. But what exactly does member mean? Here, it refers to anyone who has signed up for a free Mogo account. So, you could be using their budgeting tool or simply monitoring your credit score, both make you a member. This broad definition gives us a sense of Mogo's reach, showcasing the number of Canadians who've at least dipped their toes into the Mogo ecosystem. The power of payments, processing billions. Now, let's get a glimpse into how many Canadians are actively using Mogo for transactions. Their reports highlight a staggering $9.90 billion processed in annual payments volume. This translates to a significant portion of Canadians trusting Mogo to handle their everyday financial needs. It could be anything from paying bills to transferring funds, all happening seamlessly within the Mogo platform. International Mogo, a different story. Mogo's international presence is another interesting facet. They operate in over 15 countries across Europe, Asia, and Africa. However, their focus here is primarily on car financing and logbook loans. While specific user numbers aren't readily available, Mogo Kenya boasts of having financed over 100,000 vehicles. This indicates a strong foothold in that specific market, highlighting their success in providing financial solutions tailored to local needs. So, how many customers does Mogo really have? Here's the crux: separating members from active users makes it tricky to pinpoint a single definitive customer number. With over 2 million members in Canada and a thriving international car financing sector, it's safe to say Mogo has secured a loyal following. The bottom line: trust and financial freedom. The true measure of Mogo's success might not lie in a single customer number. It's about empowering users to take control of their finances. Whether it's budgeting tools or investment opportunities, Mogo offers a platform designed to break down financial barriers and pave the way for financial freedom. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.